So something hit me while I was here. I mean, obviously I've known a lot about what you all are working on, but I'm going to use an example of changing the filter in my house. So for some reason, Eliece, like it always gets to that point where I don't do it when I'm supposed to. The AC unit shuts off, and it really just hit me that how great would it be if I had some sort of dashboard, or like you mentioned, some visibility into something like that to remind me in my busy life that needed to be done.
Yeah.
And so is that a good analogy? I mean, obviously that's a very simplified analogy with the space you call in, but
it really is. And I think it actually speaks to even the practices themselves. When you get in that level where you're like, okay, do you remember to change your your filters in your house? And a lot of times it's like, oh, I didn't think about that. And, why is my AC running so much, or whatever that may be? And then you have to repair it. It's the same thing with your dental equipment, right? If you're not checking on your compressor, your vacuum, these key components to your practice running every single day, and they're out of sight, out of mind, right? You're not thinking about your filters in your house. You don't sit there and look at them every day or use them, right? Like in your day-to-day life. Well, your compressors, your vacuums, it's the same thing. They're in a closet. They're in the mechanical room. They're not somewhere where you keep an eye on it. So UptimeHealth is giving those best practices based on manufacturer recommendations. We're giving them the best way to keep track of these things, reminders, best things that we just need to do to make sure that we have no downtime. We can't book, we don't want to have them miss booking patients in a chair or, whatever that may look like. So it's really helping across the board, and that's a great analogy.